Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Ducati Monster R. This is the one with the Olin suspension. Beautiful condition, only 5,000 miles on this gorgeous Monster 1200 fuel injected, liquid cooled, brand new Pirelli Diablo Rossos. It's got the seat cowl. This bike is in mint condition. Come on by, make your Monster dreams come true for just $12,590. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. What a beast. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.